Windom Area Health is expanding its mental health and specialty clinic services this fall. Thanks to funding from a rural health transformation grant, the hospital is bringing in a urologist at the end of August to help its existing nursing staff expand medical procedures and surgery. It also plans to expand women's health and OB/GYN services by adding a new OB/GYN physician, a nurse midwives program, and breast biopsies. This fall, its mental health program will also add new staff members and start a partnership with MSU Mankato. The hospital says as many rural providers are making cuts, they're proud to continue growing.
It's been very exciting. We're looking to be, a center of excellence here for the rural communities, and we just thought, why not? Why not Windom?
The hospital says some of its plans for specialty programs will depend on how much grant funding it's approved for, but no matter how much funding they get, they want to stick to their plans for future growth.